See the next question. In the Young's double slit experiment is set up using the yellow light of wavelength 600 nanometer. Okay. The two slits is 1.5 millimeter apart. The interference fringes on the screen are 0.1 millimeter apart. Calculate the distance from the slits to the screen. What will be the fringe width if the distance is doubled? Okay, so this is the question they given. Observe carefully. So in case of the what? These Young's double slit experiment. Already we know that here there are two slits like this, and here we have placed the screen, and this is S1 and S2. They given the wavelength of the light, that is 600 nanometer, that is a lambda, and the distance between the slits they given is how much? That is 1.5 millimeter apart. ಇವೆರಡು ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 1.5 millimeter apart. ಅದನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ? ಡಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1.5 millimeter. Okay. Next, they given what? The fringe width. Whatever the fringes on the screen are formed, that is 0.1 millimeter apart. Fringe width ಕೊಡಿದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? Beta is equal to 0.1. Sorry, 0.1 millimeter. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಮೀಟರಿಗೆ ಬರೋದು 1.5 ಇಂಟು 10 power minus 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೀಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0.1 ಇಂಟು 10 power minus 3 meter. Okay, so now they asking to find out the what distance between the screen and what? Sorry, these are the water slits and here screen. Okay, so the distance we have taken as the D. ಅದನ್ನು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. we know the fringe width that is beta is equal to lambda d by d. we know the formula. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು? ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಸ್ಲಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್? ಬೀಟಾ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಬೈ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಆಯಿತು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬೀಟಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 0.1 ಇಂಟು 10 power minus 3 ಇಂಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 1.5 ಇಂಟು 10 power minus 3 by lambda ಅಂದರೆ ವೇವ್ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 600 nanometer. Nano is nothing but 10 power minus 9 meter. Okay, is equal to 0.1 is nothing but what? 1 by 10, that we written as what? 10 power minus 4 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. 10 power minus 3 ಇದೆ, 0.1, so that we written as 1 into 10 power minus 4 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಇಂಟು 1.5 into 10 power minus 3 we can written as what? 15 into what? 10 power minus 4. Okay, by that is 600 into 10 power minus 9. 600 into 10 power minus 9. Okay, now divide. Okay, so here 10 power minus 4, 10 power minus 4, 10 power minus 8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 10 power minus 9 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 10 power minus 1 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಯರ್ 15 ones are 15, 4s are 15 ones are 15, 4s are what? 60, remaining 0 is there, put the 0. Okay, so now write it. What is the remaining thing here? What is the remaining here? Nothing is there. 1 by here 40 into 10 power minus 1 is there. Bring it to the numerator, it becomes what? 10 by 40. 10 power minus 1 becomes what? 10 power plus 1, so is nothing but 10 by remaining is what? 40. Now divide. Therefore D is equal to 0 0 cancel, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, so 0 point, it becomes 10, so 4 ones are 4 2s are 8, remaining 2, so it becomes 20, 2 4 5s are 20, so 0.25 it is a what? Distance. So therefore the unit is what? Meter. So we get the what? The distance is what? 0.25 meter in between the slits and screen. Here suppose if the distance is doubled, in that case what is the fringe width they asking to find out? Distance ಏನಾದರೂ ಡಬಲ್ ಆದರೆ fringe width ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, if the distance is doubled, if the distance is doubled, so that is d prime is equal to 2d, 2 into what? D is 0.25 is nothing but what? 0.5 meter. Okay. In this case, what is the fringe width? Therefore, the fringe width beta prime antato is equal to what? This lambda d prime by what? D. Substitute money. Again substitute the values. 600 into 10 power minus 9 into d prime and rest 0.5 by d and rest 0.1 into 0.7. D is how much? 1.5 into 10 power 1.5 into 10 power minus 3. Okay. So again you can do the calculation of this one. So we get the answer is 0.002 meter we get. So that we also written as 0.2 millimeter. So in terms of millimeter it becomes what? 0.2 millimeter agutte. So if you can do this calculation by using the calculation, you get the 0.002 meter. If you can convert into millimeter, we get 0.2 millimeter.